होली का दिन भी था, बस आ रहे थे तो वी आर गिवन इनपुट कि इस पर्टिकुलर घर को एड्रेस करो। जैसे नॉर्मली चल रहे थे, सडनली वी सराउंडेड दैट हाउस, so nobody replied. 10 to 12 members who are residing inside that house, nobody replied from both the houses.
Would you mind ये कौन सी जगह की बात कर रहे हैं हम?
This place is Hajan. LED का एक मतलब I would say this was a god of LED. The like Pakistani militants. So Ikhwan was the first movement which थोड़ी देर बाद हम लोग like with a shield we tried to enter the house. The moment we tried to enter the house, the same time there are 4 girls or I think 1 or 2 boys. The lady she started crying and immediately मैंने ही Motorola में because I was there, so I passed it to all the stations that something कुछ तो fishy है यहाँ पे. There are 2 militants inside and उन्होंने उसके पापा को और उसके छोटे भाई को दोनों को उसने हॉस्टेज बना रखा है. उन्हें ये मिलिटेंट उस कंपाउंड में ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीने से थे. He came there because of a girl basically. जिस गर्ल के पीछे he went behind and he wanted to marry को उस कंपाउंड से भेज के they have send her to some other place and then he was like कि उसको जब तक आप बुलाओगे नहीं so we will not release your father and your kid. So
ये है सच्चाई मिलिटेंसी की.
Yeah.
टॉप फ्लोर में रखा.
टॉप फ्लोर में उसने रखा हुआ था. That they don't fire immediately till the time इनको लगता है कि बिल्कुल ही अब आने वाले हैं या कुछ होने वाला है, then only they militants are there and both were Pakistanis. Yeah, there was a kid and his father also. At the time this complete operation was live on national media and there were a lot of calls which like even the Hurriyat leaders they made to Pakistan. जो इनका एजेंडा होता है पाकिस्तानियों का कि आजादी है नो, इसको उससे अलग ले जाके एक दूसरे एंगल पे ले जा रहा था because this was a case of a girl.
सच्चाई निकल रही थी. किस साल की बात है?
This is around 2019 से फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ था कि ऐसा उन्होंने किसी मतलब कश्मीरी को हॉस्टेज बना के अपनी जान बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. अंधेरा होने वाला था. He is there inside. He knows better than us about the situation because he is aware if some he knows we are coming and he is aware of everything what is happening outside and already we are in a cordon and so all in the top floor and reveal their own location by firing. So they will just sit quietly somewhere and then that guy fired out and safely. Now the only that 6-year kid, his name was Abir. So he was inside. So they have already killed that kid, Abir, in that he was like 6-year-old. He was already killed by them and we entered and then we could neutralize both of them. And they never thought in, like I also never thought in life that militants would do such things that make a 6-year-old kid a shield, like shield for them.
यार लड़कियों को मिलने तो आए थे.
Yes, they were basically for that thing and for the same reason only he did this. Otherwise he would have left the father and kids if he was so gutsy and if he really wanted freedom and all what they talk about, they boast about that Azadi and all. So what was that Azadi with a 6-year-old kid and a father hostage?
Was LED?
Yeah, he was LED guy.